Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on UNIHERTZ Tank 3. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you can click open, then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and then click allow and click consent. Then click this button to start your VPN and click OK. And now you can close this ad. And as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Netherlands. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.